Hello, and welcome to the Northwest Shoals Community College Moodle Tutorial Channel. I'm Matthew, and throughout this and many more episodes to come, I'll be guiding you through the various aspects of the Moodle platform. I'm very excited to be here at Northwest Shoals, and I'm very eager to begin collaborating with all of you. All of the episodes in this channel will cover 3 objectives, and I'll do my absolute best to keep all videos at 5 minutes or less. As a former teacher myself, I fully understand and appreciate the various time commitments that you have, and that often, time can be your most precious commodity. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and look at the objectives for this video.
In this video, we'll talk about how to create a custom section name, how to add a file, and how to change the display of a file so that it's a bit more user-friendly for the student. Let's start by looking at an example of why we need to be able to create custom section names. On this page, there's no real indication of what's going to be learned in this module. Topic 1, Unit 1, Chapters 1, 2, and 3 don't give me a lot of information on what's actually going to be learned. So first, when you go into Moodle, always turn your editing on so that your edit icons will show up. Underneath the section title, click on the gear shift icon. You won't be able to type anything in until you uncheck the box that says Use Default Section Name. Now you can create a custom section name specific to the content to be learned within the module. Even if you use somewhat of a broad section name, you have the summary box where you can get a bit more descriptive and let your students know exactly what it is that will be covered. Click Save, and now you've got your custom section. To add a file, first click on the Add an Activity or Resource icon. There are several options to choose from. You'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom to find the file icon. Check the box, and then click on Add. The Moodle platform requires you to give your file a name. The description is optional. We'll put a description here just so we can see what it would look like. It will only show up if you check the box. You have 2 options to add a file. You can drag or drop, or you can click the Add icon. Either way, you can browse the entire hard drive of your computer. You can add anything from any cloud-based storage or anything that's on your C drive. Upload the file, save and return to course. There's our file, there's our description. Now that we've added a file, let's see what the default display option looks like. So I click the link, and you see a dialog box open at the bottom of the page giving me the option to either open or save the document. Depending on the computer the student is using, this process may or may not work as seamlessly as you see here. So let's go in and edit the settings of the document and explore some of the other display options that we have. So drop down the Appearance menu, and then drop down the internal menu there, and you'll see you have several options to choose from. Let's see what the Embed option looks like. Now when I open the document, I'm taken to a separate page, but I still have a dialog box at the bottom of the page with the same options as before. This is the case with all options when you add a Word document. So now, let's go back and see what it looks like with another file type. So click on Edit Settings, click on your file, and let's delete the Word document that we have. I'm going to add a PDF file. The reason for this is because all internet browsers have built-in PDF viewers. So, when I add the PDF file, and I set it to open in a new window or in a pop-up window, a separate tab will open and my document will appear immediately, making this a much more user-friendly display option. I hope you've enjoyed this introductory video to the Moodle tutorial channel. And I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'll see you later.